artificial intelligence is reshaping our world in ways many don't even realize. And here's a startling truth. Large language models, LLMs, consistently show a strong preference for AI-generated content over text created by humans. But here's where it gets controversial. This isn't just a harmless quirk. It's potentially reshaping how information circulates in our digital lives and influencing decisions that touch everything from jobs to education. Let's dive into what researchers have uncovered. Studies reveal that LLMs tend to rate their own AI-generated content more favorably than human-written material, even when people judge both to be of similar quality. This phenomenon, sometimes described as algorithmic narcissism, means these AI systems are biased toward their own kind's output, forming what can be called a digital echo chamber. Imagine an AI system evaluating news articles, product descriptions, or creative texts, and consistently favoring text crafted by another AI, regardless of human input. This self-preference isn't just anecdotal. It's remarkably consistent across diverse fields. Why does this matter? The implications are profound. Take hiring algorithms that screen thousands of resumes daily. If these AI tools favor resumes optimized by other AI systems, candidates who submit genuinely human-written applications might be unfairly disadvantaged. Similarly, automated essay grading could inadvertently reward assignments polished with AI assistance, leaving original human effort undervalued. And this is the part most people miss. Humans themselves exhibit complex, sometimes conflicting responses. People often prefer AI-generated answers when unaware of their origin. Possibly because AI-produced text is designed to align with how we naturally process information. Yet once informed that a response comes from AI, their preference usually declines sharply. This suggests our trust and judgment aren't based solely on quality, but are heavily influenced by transparency about content origin. However, studies differ. Some report little change in preference after disclosure, while others find that revealing an AI source undermines trust noticeably. Think about the real stakes here. When information is critical, like during a public health emergency, whether or not people trust AI-generated content could literally affect lives. Even more alarming is how these biases feed on each other in a never-ending feedback loop. Modern AI systems learn from vast amounts of internet data, which increasingly includes AI-generated text. So, AIs are effectively learning to favor language and styles that sound like AI. Simultaneously, human readers are subconsciously absorbing and adopting these AI-optimized communication patterns. This cycle pushes us toward a convergence where both machines and humans lean heavily into AI's preferred way of expression. This isn't just a futuristic problem. It's happening now. Recruitment platforms powered by AI already sift through countless applications. If these systems prioritize AI-enhanced resumes, many candidates unknowingly face a disadvantage. Marketing departments using AI to create copy might gain algorithmic visibility boosts that outshine purely human authors. In academia, students risk being flagged by AI detection software if their writing is too polished, encouraging a bland sameness that threatens authentic human creativity. Social media and journalism are not exempt. If AI-driven content recommendation engines prefer AI-written news and posts, we risk an overwhelming flood of machine-generated information, potentially drowning out genuine human perspectives and first-hand reporting. So, how can we navigate these tricky waters? Building what experts call double literacy is critical. This means understanding not only our own human biases, but also the algorithmic inclinations of AI systems we use daily. Here are some practical tips to sharpen your awareness. To detect AI-generated content, watch for unnaturally smooth phrasing, repetitive sentence templates, or a lack of personal and cultural touchstones. Be cautious of overly polished pieces that seem too comprehensive. And remember, no AI detector is perfect. To recognize your own biases, ask yourself if you prefer information just because it aligns with your beliefs, or if how the content is presented is influencing your trust more than accuracy. Reflect on whether you value speed and efficiency so highly that you sacrifice authenticity, and consider how your media habits might be subtly shifting. In this hybrid age, the answer isn't to reject AI or pretend bias won't exist. The goal is to harness both artificial intelligence and human intelligence in complementary ways. AI should be transparent about its limits, and we should become more discerning consumers and creators of information. The so-called AI mirror trap emphasizes that we're building tools that reflect and amplify our own communication habits. Ultimately, our success in this AI-infused world depends not on choosing between human and machine intelligence, but on cultivating the wisdom to understand and navigate both seamlessly. What do you think? Is AI bias simply another challenge we'll overcome, or could it fundamentally alter creativity, trust, and fairness in society? Share your thoughts. Do you agree or disagree with this perspective? This debate is just beginning.